With heavy rains, wind, and large parts of Mumbai city submerged underwater, Mumbaikars were reminded of the 2005 floods that brought the city to a standstill. As heavy rains continue to lash Mumbai and its adjoining areas, the Indian Meteorological Department had predicted intense to very intense spells of rainfall over Mumbai. The torrential rains brought up fears of the 2005 floods. 5th August saw the second highest rainfall in 30 years and winds that crippled southern Mumbai. Many essential workers who have been traveling to their workplaces during the coronavirus pandemic face difficulties while returning home amid few transport options. With over 3 feet of water on the rail tracks, more than 250 passengers were stranded in 2 local trains near Masjid Bandar railway station in the heavy rain. The National Disaster Response Force rescued about 150 passengers from the train, and the Railway Protection Force rescued the remaining passengers. A total of 141 trees collapsed and disrupted traffic. Low-lying areas were flooded. A panel from the Jaslok Hospital facade collapsed. The signage on top of the BSc building toppled. Babulnath, Marine Drive, JJ Hospital, Grant Road, Tardeo, and several other areas got flooded for the first time in many years. A huge landslide was witnessed at Kemp's Corner late at night on 5th August. This comes in just 2 days after a landslide was seen on the Western Express Highway near Malad. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray directed authorities to be vigilant and ready to tackle any untoward situation. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.